One common mistake that many claimants make when they go to a mediation of an employment, wrongful termination, or a personal injury case is they have a certain mindset when they go to mediation. And they say to themselves, no matter what happens and no matter what anybody says, I am not settling my case for $1 under X amount. This is a wrong mindset to have, and this kind of mindset will prevent you from making the most out of the mediation proceedings and will create a serious obstacle to settling a case when it should settle during the mediation. The whole idea and the whole purpose of the mediation process is for you to spend a whole day in order to learn more about your case and learn more about the arguments of the other side, why they think their case is better than yours, and also for you to learn from the neutral, from the mediator, what he thinks about your case in light of his knowledge and his experience of seeing cases such as yours go one way or the other. The right mindset to have when you go to mediation is not to have any number in mind, but instead, once you make a high settlement demand before the mediation, you go in with a completely open mind to learn more about what all these other people think about your case, the mediator, your attorney, and the other side. And then at the end of the day, as you negotiate and as everyone is moving toward each other, you will make the decision whether the amount that you came to is reasonable and worth settling your case for. Having a specific minimum number, specific rigid minimum number in mind does not make any sense, even on a literal level. Imagine you say that I'm not settling my case under $75,000 no matter what, and this is my principle, and I'm drawing a line here. This is going to make a case fail that shouldn't fail and should settle for a very close amount to that. Imagine at the end of the day, the other side offers you $74,500, and you say, no, I'm not going 1 cent under $75,000. There are no winners in this case. There are only losers. Do not be that rigid. Do not have any set numbers in your mind. Instead, go to mediation and let the process flow throughout the day. And at the end of the day, make the decision not out of principle, not because you set a certain number in your mind, but because that's the reasonable and fair number in light of all the facts and circumstances of your case is, even if it's not a perfect number, and not the number that maybe you initially hoped when you started your case. Thank you.